In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter on this Nissan Frontier with the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. This is located on the intake tubing of your engine under the hood. Let's get started. As you look under the hood, you'll see this piping that leads to the air box on the passenger side. It has these 3 clips that we need to pop open. This will make it so that we can remove the cover on the air filter. Just wiggle it out of place like that. We'll remove the air filter by pulling it out. Now you want to take your air filter and slide it down with the pleats facing towards the cap that opens, or the cover, the rubber piece, towards the engine side. But you want to put it inside the cap, not over here. And make sure that when you slide it in, the ends don't fold out. Ensure that this is fully seated. Now on the bottom, you'll have 5 flat tabs that stick out that have to line up with the bottom of the rest of this box. So just wiggle this back and forth, and you'll see that it can slide in all the way. If it does not easily slide on all the way and lock, it is not lined up, so take it off and try again. And that is installed.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.